What's up, guys? Shady Mechanic here. So I have, as most of you know, I have a 98 Grand Cherokee. So I'm getting ready to do long arms on it. So I was looking at Clayton Off-Road for a long arm kit, and they want like $1,000 for just the control arms. So what I did is, if you get on Clayton Off-Road and you click on the product, like the control arm, it gives you a list of materials. And in the list of materials, you can click on the lower control arms or the upper control arm. And it'll actually tell you how long they are center to center. So what I did is I spent about 200 bucks on what I've got laying right here. So these are 37 inches, are gonna be 37 center to center. This one's gonna be 39 center to center. This is 120 wall DOM. Those are tractor links off Amazon. These were 20 bucks a piece, and I just cut them in half. So these are forged. It says right on them they're forged, somewhere right there, forged. The eyelets are the holes are the correct diameter for my control arm brackets. See? This is my 1-ton axle I'm gonna be putting under it. So yeah, 200 bucks. I'm gonna get these welded together and I'll be right back.